In this video, we'll guide you through 6 solutions to fix mobile data not working on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. These steps should help you resolve most mobile data problems and get you back to enjoying seamless connectivity. Solution 1. Check your mobile data connection. First, make sure that your mobile data connection is enabled. Checking this ensures that your device is set up to connect to the internet using cellular data and rules out the possibility that the issue is caused by a simple oversight. To enable mobile data on your device, navigate to Settings, then select Connections, followed by Data Usage, and toggle the switch for mobile data to the on position. This straightforward and accessible step is frequently the initial solution for resolving connectivity issues, as it demands minimal technical expertise. Solution 2. Restart your device. Restarting your device can resolve various technical issues, including mobile data problems. Press and hold the power button, tap on Restart or Reboot, and wait for your device to power back on. This method can potentially fix mobile data issues without losing any data. Restarting your device also helps to close any background applications that may be interfering with your mobile data connection, providing a clean slate for your smartphone to function optimally. Solution 3. Check for network coverage. To check for network coverage, observe the signal strength indicator on your device's status bar. If you have weak or no signal, try moving to a different location, or check with others using the same carrier in your area. Contact your carrier to inquire about any network outages or coverage issues. Verifying network coverage can help you determine if the issue is related to your location or signal strength, which might suggest exploring other troubleshooting methods or contacting your carrier for further assistance. Solution 4. Check your APN settings. Incorrect APN settings may lead to mobile data connectivity issues. To address this, open Settings, then select Connections, followed by Mobile Networks, and finally Access Point Names. Compare the existing settings with those provided by your carrier to ensure they match. Update the APN settings if necessary. Ensuring your APN settings are correct can prevent connectivity issues and optimize your device's performance when connecting to your carrier's data network, allowing you to enjoy a seamless browsing experience. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings has the potential to resolve mobile data issues by restoring all network-related configurations to their original factory settings. To do this, head to Settings, choose General Management or System, select Reset or Reset options, and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if your mobile data connection is working. Keep in mind that this process may also require you to repair Bluetooth devices and re-enter saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it can be an effective way to eliminate any incorrect configurations causing connectivity issues. Solution 6. Contact your carrier. If issues persist, contact your carrier's customer support to diagnose problems specific to your account, network coverage, or device compatibility. They may offer additional troubleshooting steps or a replacement if the issue is related to a defective SIM card or device. Providing detailed information about the problem and the steps you've already taken will help customer support efficiently diagnose the issue and suggest appropriate solutions to get your mobile data connection back up and running smoothly. By following these troubleshooting procedures, you should be able to identify and fix the cause of your Samsung Galaxy's mobile data not working issue. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.